Dr. Rajesh has asked me to speak on importance of human rights day. I knew that that is going to be my last day in this college. Today morning you must have received a good morning message from all of your friends and families and all the relatives. But it was a shocking news when you heard that I'm leaving, especially for the staff, my commerce department staff and all the other department staff. I told them that I'm leaving and they told, don't joke sir, how can you leave? There are so many things to be achieved in this college and I still believe that the work is not complete. Since morning it's been a tough day for me. Tough day. After leaving Bahrain, this is the second the most difficult day which I had. To leave this institution and go. But with heavy hearts I have to say these words. When I first time came to this college on March 4th, that was the day when I first came to this college for the interview, and I was welcomed by my best friend, I can say Mr. Arun. He is here. So I was welcomed. I was taken to ITI hall where I had the interview. Father was there. In the interview, he asked me one question. Other questions I remember, but I don't want to specifically go on to that those questions because there are some words which will inspire you. He asked me one single question. Ronson, I want the file which is there at the bottom of the pile. How will you give it to me? He wanted the file which was there on the last. How will you give it to me? I told him, I'll just lift all the files, take the file and give it to you. No, think. That is not the right answer. Then I told I'll remove 3 files, keep it aside, and give it to the last file. He was not satisfied. I think, what is this father is talking about? On the first day of my interview, and he's asking this question. Then he tells me, Ronson, if you do the things in a hurry, there may be a chance that all the files may fall down. So I want you to take one file at a time, and you need to give me the file. I want the work to be done perfectly with the simplicity and the correctness. So that was a word which made me think, if you do things in a hurry, what's going to happen is you will complete the work, but you're going to spoil the things. That is where from then I decided, if a simple thing I want to do in this college, I'll do it in perfection, complete perfection. Absolutely, there should not be any scope saying that the work is incomplete and Ronson sir, you are not completed the work. So that is where those words of Father inspired me. Recently, one of my colleagues asked, I don't know, I was just randomly going, and that too I was already given my resignation asked me. Sir, I want to ask you one question, sir. How can you manage so many things at a time? I just laughed and told her, sir, it comes randomly. I don't think at all that I have to do this work, that work, but it comes. So that is how you should do things in this college. I already gave a lot of jam from the morning to the nearest and dearest students, but many students they all said, sir, please, it's been a very tough time for us, don't leave us and go. But I told them there are certain things which has to come to an end. And 10th December 2021 is the day that I say that my life, my journey in this college comes to an end. So I have many things, I've learned many things in this college. I have been privileged to be part of this college as a dean, HOD, such an young age, and be able to achieve this thing. I really thankful for every single person in this college for supporting me, guiding me, and correcting me. There are some things. Where it will not motivate you. It will demotivate you. There are plenty of things which demotivated me, and you all know it. You have been part of it. There are some things where my personal life was touched, but I stood as like a rock. You know what is a rock? Like a Kothur Bande. D.K. Shivakumar is Kanakpur Bande. Ronson is Royal Degree College Bande. So face those things. Life is not easy. Nobody's life is easy. I'm going to tell you. Though you see a person going in Ferrari and Audi, he has plenty of problems which you can't see. That is why don't think that your life is over. Thinking that you failed once, so all you are as a life cannot fail. That is not life. I tell you, that is Jataka. So things like this will pull you down or put you down. Okay. Never lose hope in life and never say no to anything. There are some things which are new to you, there are some things which you don't know, but it is always inspiring for you, it is always inspiring for others that some people may think that you cannot do this work, but if you do it, there is a change. So, I really want to thank Ravi sir. He told the first sentence. 2 minutes are not enough. So now I know where my position is. So this is where you come to know, not when you got. When you leave, you make with the remark. Okay, so one more thing I want to touch. Earlier I was just scrolling through Instagram reels. There I saw one retired teacher is having his last day in his school. And the teachers and the students are crying. Actually, the Russians why these students are crazy or what? And the teacher is also elderly, 60 years old. He is also crying. But now I know the pain. I am in that same position where a single word is very difficult for me to express. So I have no tears left now. It's already over from morning, every class when I went there. Because so many memories where if I glance through every single photo, okay, it comes to my mind. Though those photos are not there with Lazarus sir, which I have in my mind, which will be forever. Okay, so that is why I would like to thank once again for the principal for giving me a great opportunity to be with the young minds, youngsters, and also this management, BJS, Father Rector, and every single person, my current colleagues, previous colleagues, seniors, Vincent sir, my Sangati, Roshan sir, okay, so and my new Sangati, Mr. Karthik, where is he? Okay, I think he is also get emotion somewhere. Okay. So these were the people, and Mr. Lazarus, I really want to thank him a lot. Okay, so we were the first buddies. Okay, when this college, when we went to put the banners, late night when we worked with Father Almeida. Okay, when we did the marketing work, these were the memories. Okay, so I can just recall, but I'll not get back those things anymore. Okay, so thank you so much for the great opportunity. Thank you so much. Okay, goodbye to all.